Imagine waking up to a sunrise over the Rocky Mountains without ever leaving your bed. Now imagine doing that in a rolling 5-star suite that's more advanced than most modern homes. This isn't just an RV. This is the Winnebago Grand Tour 45RL, a 45-foot luxury diesel coach that makes hotels feel outdated and turns every mile into a memory. And by the time you finish this video, you'll understand why some people sell their houses just to live inside this beast full-time. From the moment it pulls up, the Grand Tour 45RL demands attention. It's massive, it's powerful, and it rides on a Freightliner Maxum chassis with a 450 horsepower Cummins diesel engine that laughs at steep grades and eats up highway miles like nothing. But power is just the beginning. Because once you step inside, that's when the real shock hits. It's not an RV interior. It's a luxury condo on wheels. The living area opens wide with dual slide-outs, flooding the space with light. Porcelain tile under your feet. Rich hardwood cabinetry lining the walls. Power recliners that feel like private jet seating. There's even a fireplace glowing beneath a massive 60-inch HD TV. It doesn't just look expensive, it feels like success. The kitchen? More upscale than many homes. You're looking at a full-size residential fridge, induction cooktop, convection oven, and a real dishwasher. Soft close drawers, deep stainless steel sink, granite-patterned Korean countertops. Whether you're cooking up steaks in Texas or sipping wine in Napa, this kitchen is ready. And then, there's the master suite. Slide the door shut and step into total peace. A king-size bed with a power incline, opposing wardrobes. And in the rear, a full bathroom that looks like it was lifted from a luxury hotel. Dual sinks, huge tiled shower, backlit mirrors, and a walk-in wardrobe that can fit more than just a week's worth of clothes. Yes, there's a washer and dryer too, because even on the road, life should stay effortless. Tech? Of course. A full touchscreen control system lets you manage everything. Lights, shades, AC, generator, water tanks, from one panel or your phone. Solar power, auto-leveling jacks, high-end sound system, triple rooftop ACs, it's all included, and it works seamlessly. But here's the twist. All of this doesn't come cheap. The Winnebago Grand Tour 45RL starts near $450,000 and goes even higher with custom upgrades. But for those who live full-time on the road or just want the ultimate escape pod for cross-country freedom, it's worth every cent. Because this isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's a personal luxury resort with wheels. And once you experience it, it's hard to go back.